Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Take this crayon and then hold it like this. You will make this beautiful shade. Now we are going to add more color and we are going to make a droplet on the top of the brinjal, and look, it is ready. Here we are going to hold the crayon like this and create this shape, and we are making turnip here. As you can see, we are using this green color of crayon as well and make the leaf, and look, it's ready. Make the roots of the turnip as well, add more shade around it. Look how we are doing in this video. We're also using this pencil and it's done. Make the insect on the top. As you can see, we are going to hold the crayon like this, tilt it and then press it on the top of this white sheet of paper, and this way you can draw beautiful vegetables, and look, it is ready. We are going to use the crayon and tilt it, and then you can add more colors. Here we are going to use this green color and then add more green on the side. This way you can draw different vegetables like this. You can also use pencil for the shade, and look, it is ready. Take this pink color of crayon and you can see how easily you can draw it. Draw some lines at the center and use pencil, and look, it's ready. Here we're going to take orange crayon and then we're going to draw a circle. After this you can fill it inside. Now you can change the color. As you can see, we're using this pencil as well, and we're also drawing a paper, and look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.